Hey! In front of me is Motorola Moto G72, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration features on this device. Firstly, open Settings and click on Sound and Vibration section. Then scroll down and choose Vibrate for Calls. Now click on the best option for your incoming calls in order to set it up. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate. When you're ready, click on the back button and scroll down. Now you need to click on Shortcut to prevent ringing, and if you want to, you can set up vibrate here by clicking on it. Then go back and tap on those two switches next to outgoing call vibration and charging sounds and vibration to switch them off or on. And also click on this one next to touch vibration to switch off or on haptic feedback on your smartphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!